Hi everyone, I'm doing a shell and a printed page from Pixie Decoupage in the Etsy store. Go check her site out. She's got great buys, fast shipping. I painted the shell, it's a scallop shell, and I painted it in a soft gold. And now I'm taking my sand block, and you can see the paper, the shavings are coming off on the silver of the foil. You can see it there lightly. It looks like I'm doing it heavy here. I'm lightly sanding it, and this makes the edges softer. I turn the paper over, lightly sanding. You can see all the paper there on the edge. See, right there. Now I'm going to decoupage this on, and it doesn't look like it's going to fit well, but it is. You'll see it come to life. And I put a little Mod Podge down first. I want to get in all those nooks and crannies. And then I'm going to turn the actual paper over and do my Mod Podge. It will curl up, but that's fine. I just stick my finger on one end. When it curls, it's still on there, see? Now I'm going to put it on my shell, and the nice thing is I can move it around. I can pick it up, I can move it around, not like a napkin. A napkin would have already been ruined. Now I take the end of my brush and I get in those nooks and crannies. I'll take my finger also to get the air bubbles out. I like using the end of the brush because you'll see later in the video, I will use the end of the brush and you'll see how it oozes out, the Mod Podge, because it gets stuck in those nooks and crannies. This way I don't get the air bubbles. Look how nicely that lays there. And you don't lose any of the design in the shell. If anything, it brings the design to like a 3D effect. I love using this vellum paper. I really don't have to thin it out that much, the sides, or I'll use a brush with water in it, and I'll have to show you that another time. But I really don't do that often. I'll cut it close, like you see the giraffe and the dolphin. I've cut them right to the outline. There we go. See, I cut that one to the outline. And to paint, this one I'll probably add some paint later, and I will post that picture. And if I want sand, I take the clear Elmer's glue, I put the sand down there, shake it, put it on some paper, shake it off, take the paper, and then put the sand back into the jar, because why waste it? See how easy it is? You really don't see the edges. All right, well, thank you for